What up, STH gang? It's Chantel.
Trinity and Harmony.
And today we're back with another seafood boil.
Now today,
That
guys.
was so plain.
Now today, guys, we have crab, shrimp, potatoes, sausage, and corn.
What is it called?
What?
What are they called? What are these called?
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Thank you.
What?
Alright, so who's going to say the grace?
I will. I think it's the food God puts in nourishing our body in Jesus' name. Pray, amen.
Amen. Alright, so today we do not have the B-Love sauce. We just have regular garlic butter sauce. We didn't make it today. So, let's dig in. Why y'all looking at me? I think y'all might have to get y'all own bowl for the butter sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, well, look who came out the blue. It's Gigi.
I will get a
So again, like I said, next year in 2020, we will be doing a lot more of challenges, a lot more of pranks.
I already have
This
one.
is just the start. What kind of a prank or a challenge?
A prank.
On who?
Someone. Trinity, no.
So we're gonna start doing a lot more of these.
I make a mess.
Exactly.
As we're pouring our butter sauce in each bowl. Gracias.
De nada.
Alright, here we go, guys. Alright.
She came in with, here we go, guys. What you think she is?
That's right.
That's what you're supposed to do. Got your shrimp.
Crab leg.
Gigi's not going to get in the camera. And then we have a special guest. She's on her phone. She doesn't care. Shatoria. She's our next door neighbor. And you might see her in some of our videos as well. Mostly pranks and challenges.
She's going to be helping us out with the pranks.
No, I'm not gonna be pranking y'all.
You going to be pranking us?
Yup.
Okay. You see
She's
that?
also coming out with her own YouTube channel. So be looking for it. I don't know the name yet. Do you know the name?
It's probably gonna be Tori's Empire.
Tori's Empire.
My hat wasn't in here when you got it.
So be looking out for that.
Huh?
Y'all already know. We the real family.
My
We don't
hat
have no
wasn't in
cuts in the
when she got it.
background. Gigi's gonna say what she has to say. She's proud of her Steelers hat. I had it on. Now I gotta go put it back on. Also, we gotta show you her new present that she got on the wall.
Wasn't no present, I paid for that.
Her present to herself that she got, basically. Can you stop licking juice on me?
Oh, sorry.
And that helps wiping it in?
The corn is juice, y'all. I was taking it
Oh
off.
my God.
It's not juice. It's juicy. Excuse me, guys.
This is so nasty.
I said excuse me. Guys, guess what? Today's Thursday. Tomorrow for school we have an early release day. And then we're out for the whole 2-3 weeks. And Christmas is next Tuesday. So,
It's next
Merry
Wednesday, ain't it?
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve is Tuesday. Christmas
Oh.
Day is Wednesday.
Christmas Day is Wednesday. So,
And we will be vlogging for that day.
Vlogmas. We'll be opening gifts and stuff. So, Merry Christmas to all of you.
And if we don't get online, again, Merry Christmas to all the families out there. But we'll probably get on for maybe about 20 minutes. What you want? Ain't nothing in there. And you
Mhm.
stay
Again.
coming in there.
Again, guys, please like, comment, and
And
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and hit the notification bell
So-
and comment down below.
And comment down below which what other what type of challenge that we should do next year and pranks, cause me and Harmony gonna be teaming. I'm gonna do some pranks on Harmony, but we're gonna be teaming up sometimes. Yeah. Some pranks on Harmony and Mommy and Mom.
I don't think so.
I will be pranking you.
I don't think so.
Actually, Ma is really, really, really good at like if you try to prank her, she knows it's a prank. So I have to think about that.
And if y'all ever hear them call her mom and call me mom,
I
that's
call
just
you
their
mommy
grandma.
sometimes. And guys, if you don't know who Ma is, that's my grandma. I
That's
call her Ma.
Gigi.
Or Gigi. Great grandma. You get it? G.
That's not great grandma.
I mean, grandma. No, you don't get that. I don't get it either.
What you say?
That's just the name she got up for y'all. Can you hear my drink in the back?
That's,
Wanna
yeah,
see-
tall.
sip?
Guys, got sausage.
Slow down.
No, I choked on one.
Crab leg. Oh,
No.
choke on corn, y'all.
Like Gigi said, slow down.
Oh, guys, let me tell y'all what we have for drink. We have Fanta Peach, which is my favorite. I like every peach drink, especially Fanta Peach.
Y'all, don't she talk too fast? I want y'all to comment down below how fast she be talking. Do y'all really be understanding her? She talks entirely too fast and it makes no sense. I be telling her to slow down.
I mean, yeah, so sometimes I just talk.
No, and you talking with your mouth full.
So,
Who gonna understand you?
I know some people can talk fast like me. Comment down below if you can do that. Talk fast like me.
Nobody can.
Can't get that out.
Hmm?
Guys, before we did beloved sauce, we used to go with the butter sauce. This is old school. Even though I don't know nothing about old school.
Sure don't. Mm-hmm.
Oh, guys.
Well,
And as soon as they get done, they're going to bed.
But guess what? We got early release date tomorrow.
It don't matter. You still going to bed early. And you're going to bed early during the break. I can say that's one thing that
You want me to cut a crab for you, Mom?
one thing they don't like to do is go to bed, and my mama can be a witness to that.
She been up to bed now.
My friend, not rush me.
Got a crab?
I gotta get up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Okay.
okay, I get another corn.
Do you want another corn?
She got that last one.
Thank you. Corn is good.
Mm-hmm. It's so good. Sometimes when it's so good,
You don't say nothing.
that's what Harmony doing, not even talking.
Harry don't never talk, and she be wanting to be on the camera though. How you want to be on YouTube, but you don't never say nothing?
I mean, that's what most of these
Well, we about to cut you out.
Sometimes I like to do ASMR.
What?
ASMR.
It's a person who be silent when they eat seafood.
Okay, but we talk over here. And you're gonna eat a little faster because I told you you're going to bed. It's past our bedtime. They're supposed to be in the bed at 8 o'clock because they have to get up at 5 something in the morning to get on the bus.
Which is kind of awkward. I mean,
It ain't awkward.
because I'm in middle school.
Wait till y'all get in high school.
Hey, y'all, the ones that's in middle school, listen to your teacher. Because that's what I do.
Sugar daddy. Hey, sugar daddy. Let me take a screenshot of my sugar daddy. Hold on, let me take a screenshot.
I don't know why she over there talking about a sugar daddy while we YouTube it.
Come on. Huh?
She about to get put out.
I can't crack this. Guys, y'all see that big arm?
On your face like that. You got beat up.
Oh.
By who? Who you was
I'm mad at her. You sitting with. How many you done had?
This is not mine. My mom only had.
You had the one she didn't eat.
Yeah.
Okay, so you were still eating them.
So, take that off.
Can you just eat it and stop staring at me like that? Ooh, y'all. I be wanting to punch on her forehead sometimes because she'll do you like this. She will stare you down.
If you had a staring competition,
She will win.
She would win.
No, she won't. I'll win.
You win?
Yep.
Mm-mm.
Y'all, Shatoria.
Mm-hmm.
Shatoria says she'll win.
So I guess that'll be one of the challenges for 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all already know I'm gonna lose.
Harmony and Shatoria having a stare off.
She know.
And then it's gonna be me and mommy.
She know I'm a winner.
And I'm gonna call you when I get to the crib.
Strap.
Yeah, she gonna call you when she get to the crib because we doing a mukbang.
I ain't getting it.
I'm up banging.
I would like to give a shout out to Billy B
Name.
and Eva.
Name.
I love them. Also a big shout out to Dear and Ken.
Name.
Prince family.
I'm like you, dear. We need butter. Cause what? Butter make it taste better. Better make it taste better. I'm like you. We got Shatoria in the background hating. I want her to come over here and be on YouTube. Now, why she say no?
Come on. Oh, pull up a chair.
For
Pull
real.
up a chair.
And who said no? Hey, you guys. And who said no?
Y'all want to
Y'all ain't gonna see her on our channel.
Yes, well, I thought we was doing challenge with her. I'm not gonna eat a crab leg, y'all. Me and you can split. Now she finally enjoyed the video, y'all.
Oh.
She's right there in the corner. What you want?
Let me get a crab leg.
I told them that I'm gonna try to get a king crab. Maybe after Christmas. They
Y'all don't
very
need no king.
expensive.
Y'all need a snow crab. What y'all mean?
We have some.
These are snow crab.
Oh.
Not bad.
I want them big crabs that man had on Facebook.
That's king crabs.
Oh.
Oh, butter. She over here on the side, hiding.
Girl, ain't nobody hide that.
Next time, I'm gonna get them some blue crabs. They have never, ever.
Mm-mm.
Blue crabs.
You ain't never had a blue crab?
No.
You know they come live.
What?
They come live.
Let me look at this.
Look up blue crabs. So when you get a blue crab, Tori's never had one either. But I gotta find out where I can find them at. They come live and you have to cook them.
Mm.
You have to clean them real good
Oh, these?
and cook them.
Homie would be
Yep.
terrified.
Yeah, I'll be terrified.
Them too. No, I can't. I'm not eating them.
You have to get the males.
I'm gonna eat the crab. I'm gonna stick to the crab legs.
But the male has more meat than the female.
So what we eating is female, right?
Huh?
We eat female.
No, you're eating a regular snow crab.
Okay, well I like
A blue
crabs like
crab ain't like this.
that. I
Ain't
know
like this.
the blue crab got all the meat
whole
in the middle.
body.
Yeah. I might not be here for that.
What you want?
Scaring me.
Did I
No.
pin her right?
Yeah, put the other piece up right there.
Yeah, my mom.
Mm-hmm.
Ma, you want this?
Got the potato and the strip. Well, I
Ma,
got
that's
strip
what.
first.
Can you hurry up and eat so you can go to bed?
Potato.
What's that?
Babies.
Oh.
Hey.
What baby?
Babies.
What do you mean baby?
No, it ain't.
Man, ain't babies.
Dang, I'm gonna go to Seafood Connection. No.
You haven't had a crab in a long time? As soon as I say something.
I ain't seen you eat not one sausage, but
I
that one.
did. I ate more than one.
When you eat shrimp, you worried about them crab legs.
Ma, I did eat shrimp. I just ate one, and I ate more.
Comment down below if y'all saw her eat one.
How many did she eat?
Exactly.
How many did she eat?
Because I ain't seen her. I seen her eat corn, and that was it.
That butter comes good. Okay.
Thank you.
What?
I wish I had some cilantro or some parsley.
What is that?
Some parsley would be good.
You put it in your butter.
Does it make it spicy?
No. Butter make it taste better. Make it taste better.
You know what? I'm not even gonna cook these next week. I'm gonna go to. What's that? My daddy said that place on Sunset by the Chinese place by Pagodas. Steam it up. He said that place good too.
My
We
mama
tried
didn't
that.
like it.
I like him.
My mama said the girls like it. She don't like it. Want shrimp?
I'm already fat.
Don't say that.
Girl,
Oh, you got the Bible strip on your hand?
I need you to touch up.
Ketchup.
She said it needed a touch up. My tattoos need a touch up too. All my tattoos need touches up.
Who
Touching
that
up.
here?
I need to add on to this one. How many tattoos y'all think I got?
5.
No.
3.
I
3?
forgot about that life.
1.
You got 3?
We got 2.
You only got 2? I thought you had more than 2.
No, we got 2.
Do it hurt?
I got 1, 2,
She got 2.
3, 4, 5. I got 5.
On your leg, too.
Ooh. Oh, she got one of that has my name on it with a teddy bear. Pooh. the
And
bear.
mine. But don't you?
Yeah. So you want potato?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Y'all, how my bun look?
Please tell her, because we've been in here arguing.
We done did like
4 different hairstyles. And I got stuck with the wig.
y'all know the struggle like when you don't get paid till next week and you gotta do something to you get paid.
You throw that wig on your head, throw that.
I'm
on
tired-
your head.
I'm
Eh,
tired of wearing
eh,
that shit.
What, you know, bun?
I was trying to wear that.
Wig?
Wow.
Cause I had it on for like 2 weeks. Like I had it on for a week straight. I ain't not take it off. That's how good it was sticking to my head.
That's because I got the teeth on it.
The baby hair.
No. What?
The teeth. What are you talking about?
It's teeth on this wig.
What teeth?
Like
oh,
the
the combs.
comb.
The combs. No, I didn't even use the comb. I used the baby hair. The baby hair, when it's connected to your forehead, actually forehead doesn't move. Even when you have a cap on, it stays put.
I put baby hair on mine today and it moved.
You must have been
Two-stepping. A two-step.
Say 8 more.
What?
8 more.
Why are you staring at me?
Let's have a staring contest.
Me and you?
Didn't you just blink?
Nope. Yeah. No, I did. Because
Yeah, I
you said
won.
blink. You said the word blink.
Okay.
A blink.
Alright, honey.
That's why I said, nobody. Mom, we need your answer. Do you think anybody can beat Harmony in the staring contest the way she stare people down?
Come
I
on.
told you.
My eyes starting to burn a little bit.
Not mine.
Blink, Trent, Horny. Blink, 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 blink.
She's not gonna do it.
She blinked.
You blink.
Yeah.
I told you.
You can't
Nobody
beat
can
me.
be Harmony.
Oh, excuse me. Nobody can beat Harmony.
If you can, comment down below.
Can I get some more? Drink it, drink.
Whoa.
Drink it, drink.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, you can give me a juice. And I just pour it in the cup.
The red.
Are you full? Are you full?
No.
Me?
You getting there?
Yeah.
How many of y'all used to drink these back in the day? I got my kids on that.
Thirsty, ain't it?
Who, me?
No,
You?
let's go.
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Thirsty for me.
Hey, 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 hey. You all
Ow.
may see a new him
Him?
appear one day.
Excuse me? Say that.
You know who it is.
You all may
Jimmy.
see a him appear.
I don't think that's gonna be a him. Except for Midnight Night him.
You all may meet my new him.
New.
Him. H-E-I-M. Oh, wait.
H-I-M. I'm dead. This girl said H-E-I-M.
Y'all knew what I meant.
But you said new.
Yes, so new him.
Wait, that's how new? That was 6'5"?
6'5". Oh.
There's this guy that was 6'5". He was like a businessman. He got a little bit hair. He got a long. Wow. And he was light skinned.
He what?
He's not light skinned.
He totally big. She said he totally big. Is he muscular big or
Yeah.
fat big?
Muscular.
big.
Okay.
Child pulled over here in them J's you got.
The breads. He had the breads on.
I told you he ordered him and his son.
He
some
already
more.
he
already
already
had.
ordered. Yeah, he
No,
already
he
what?
already had
Guess what?
them.
His
He
son,
already had a pair that already came out. Or-
Yeah.
Okay.
But he ordered another pair.
guess
But
what?
it wasn't from that same Nike place that you was looking at online.
Shatori. Guess what?
Have you ever
His
seen
son
that place?
is the same age as me.
Don't that's gonna be a step.
What?
Did you say so?
Who? Y'all ain't eating them two crabs.
I don't know.
Y'all gotta eat the rest of that stuff.
I
Y'all, what time is it? Cause they gotta go to bed. They'll be wanting to get up in the morning.
8:33. You heard me? 8:33.
We be just planning to take a 2-minute nap when we wake up, because we be waking up early, and then sometimes we wait like a little
Until
bit
until 6:12 to get
Yeah.
dressed.
So that's why we take an extra nap.
One day we were
Well,
almost
you're
late
not.
for school. One day was almost late for school.
And just because we slept late.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I like potato.
Are you full?
Getting there.
Are you full?
Getting there.
Can I wear these? Y'all wear these tomorrow?
No.
No, I'm wearing pajamas tomorrow.
I'm a.
Stop smacking like that.
This is tutorial.
I don't like that retarded hand.
Got that meat on it.
For somebody who said, I don't want no more crab legs, you show this eating them.
This was a small piece.
Well, you guys, I'm full. It was just a short video tonight. We're about to end this video because they're about to go to bed. I'm about to turn up, even though I gotta go to work. Even oh Lord, even though
Feed her chest more than she feed her mouth.
even though I gotta go to work, I'm still turn up. With the Jose and the Ciroc.
I don't think that's good for you.
You want some?
No, thank you.
Ew, that's baby.
Can you stop leaning on me?
I was trying to get up. Mommy.
Why everybody out for quiet?
All right, you guys.
I love you.
All right, you guys.
I love you.
All right, you guys.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you more.
There you go. I love you more.
No, I love you more.
Caps.
I love you mostest.
Caps.
I love you mostest.
Caps.
Mostest.
No
mostest,
caps.
Mostest.
Caps.
No cap.
I'm dead.
Somebody wanted that.
I knew it.
Comment
Alright,
down below
guys.
if you wanted that.
Like,
Comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Again, this was STH.
Gang. SWAT.
Or
Gang, gang, squad, family, all of the above. Y'all know we got you. Like we said again, like we said, 2020 year. There's gonna be more pranks.
Whoa,
There's gonna be more challenges. There's gonna be more vlogs, more mukbangs,
Mukbang.
mukbang bombs. Same
Mukbang.
difference.
No.
It's gonna be a mukbang because that shit gonna be banging. Like I said too. Yes, you can.
Not supposed to.
Like I said, we will have our special guest. My little cousin Kiera does want to come on and either sing or rap from her album.
And me and her will be rapping. Guys, I am an artist, so I'll be showing some of my drawings and some videos. And no, I don't be tracing it.
She be tracing, but
I don't be tracing it for real.
No, sometimes she traces, sometimes she
Oh my god.
she draws.
Yeah, I
Okay,
actually
you guys, we're about to get off because what they're trying to do is they're not trying to go to bed, which they're going to bed. So, again, STA Squad, family, gang, gang, all of the above. We'll see you, like we said, 2020, more pranks, more challenges, more mukbangs, more special guests. You might see Shatoria sometimes. Hopefully.
Wait, they don't know your
Shatoria.
face. Like, stand right there.
We'll be there. Shatoria, come in the camera. Shatoria. She don't want me to say her government name, so that's why I'm saying it. So,
She look cute.
she will most definitely probably be in a lot of our videos, especially in the summertime. She's in college right now, so we're going to congratulate her. She's going to be a senior next year. So, we will probably follow her life, because I will be going up there to make sure.
And we
she's
will
okay.
be commenting some of your vlogs.
So we might as well say, all right, gang, it's the SSTH squad tonight. So we'll see you again on the next video. Peace. You gotta go stop it.